Hi, I'm Bob with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and here I'm with you today on our newest arrival. This is a 2021 Harris Solstice 250. Beautiful boat. It's got the black with the black powder-coated railings on it. It's got an arch. Come on inside the boat. We've got the seagrass on the flooring. We've got the desert camel interior. This one has the Performance 3.5 package with the in-floor storage, so this gives you a great ride on the Lake of the Ozarks. Handles the rough water extremely well. This boat is loaded. We've got a nice, we got a JL audio with the amplifier and speakers here. On the dash now, we have a 9-inch Simrad. Once again, the JL audio right there. We've got a wireless charger for your phone, so you just lay it down there and your phone's gone. This is powered by a 350 Mercury Verado with digital throttle and power assisted steering. This particular floor plan is the dual helm single lounger. So we've got 2 helm chairs here and the single lounger, which you just have to lift up, slide forward, and then we can slide it so it is completely flat. Gives you a lot of different seating options. Under here, I've got storage here and a built-in cooler here, and I've got storage for your 8-inch bumpers here. And I told you this boat was powered by the Mercury Verado 350. To know how quiet it is, it's been running the whole time. Hi, I'm Bob once again. Call me 573-606-3212 or any one of the salespeople here, and we'll be glad to help you get into a new Harris.